How to create a number input field. Press Add New Element in your page node and select Number. You can rename the number field by double-clicking on its name. Press Optional to make it optional. Press Caption to add a caption. Press Description to add a description. Press Placeholder to add a placeholder. Press Decimal if you want to allow decimal numbers. Add a minimum or a maximum or both. If you have selected both, you can also add a slider. I will show you now how the number input field will look with and without the slider. Press Save and Preview. This is our number input field. You can type in a number and you can also add a number by clicking. I will now add a minimum from 1 to 10 and select slider, save and press preview. And now you will have a slider choosing from 1 to 10. Visible in result data is preset, and this means that the value your users put into the number input field that you created will later be visible in the result data. Let's have a look at the Advanced section. Press Advanced to open a drop-down menu. You can change the responsiveness according to the device your users are using. You can add a style by adding a class tag. Have it validated by adding a custom regex. Add a default value. You can type in a number or refer to a system variable. Add a comment or a condition. Thank you for watching and see you soon at UNOY.